Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our breakaway seed box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Totally Certified box break number 12. Here's the last game up for auction. Here's Edmonton. So the number is any 190-886-253. That's any 190-886-253. Good luck, everybody. Ruby of Lumir Vinovsky for the Islanders, 60 out of 100. We got a rookie of Zagos Jurgensen for the Sabres. And we got our jersey auto rookie of Joakim Nordstrom for the Blackhawks. Got a hit for the Ducks of Jonas Hiller. And they're 1 out of 25. And we got a rookie of Stefan Matteau for the Devils. And a totally certified jersey of Pierre Turgeon for the Canadiens. Rookie of Ryan Murray for the Blue Jackets. And we got a clear cloth jersey, 64 to 100 of Mikhail Grigorenko for the Sabres. And the last pack. A rookie of Dmitry Yaskin for the Blues. And we got an autograph of Igor Bogkov for the Ducks. A decoy. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.